What's up, YouTube? Back here again from another video, and today, here we go again, the drone drop for July of 2018. Well, I guess let's not talk about it too much. Let's just crack in and see what we got. Very exciting, very exciting. Well, I see some Sam Gook motors up here on top. So already I'm kind of stoked about that. Huh. How about these are the ones I actually already have and been flying, and I can tell you that they're pretty good motors, you know, especially for the price. DYS definitely did something pretty cool. I mean, they've lasted for me a good amount of time. These, like I said, these are the exact motors I've been flying already for I don't even know how long. Probably had them 6 months or so. These are the 2306 2500 kV motors. Very good freestyle motor in my opinion. The 2500 kV is a good size, and I would say that these motors are a little under or a little overrated, not quite as powerful. So it's 2500, but you know, it's not, they're not that powerful. They're pretty efficient overall. Not too bad, definitely not too bad. So there you go, there's a full set of those. So no complaint there. DYS strap. It's just kind of leather coated, not rubber coated. It's kind of like, or plastic coated. FPV Racing Edition. It's pretty short. A little shorty. 2 of those. Let's see what's in this TBS silicone soft mount. These look like motor mount. 9 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so this is going to be motor mounting stuff. So you peel out this and all the holes, and then that would mount underneath your motor to give you a little bit of soft mounting. I've experimented with that soft mounting, not really a big fan of that. Looks like we got a little toolkit pouch with no tools. You can put your little tools in here, your soldering iron, all that kind of stuff for when you go out on the road. And we got some props. I hope these are the, okay, these are just regular 5 by 4.8 V1S. Good old standards in red. Again, no complaint with that. I think this is most likely going to be my last drone drop. You know, they're not bad, but they're not great either. Alright, let's see. Sticker packs. We got Fly Color. These guys make the Raptor ESCs and then a full DYS sheet. So there you go. Alright, that's drone drop for July 2018. I mean, these are $10 motors, so you know that's 40 bucks right there. I paid 50 bucks for the box. You know, I honestly don't feel like I'm getting like, you know, I mean, you're not losing, but I don't think you're getting your money's worth. I mean, that's 40. These are what, $3 a piece, so 49. I mean, there's your money right there. And what could this have cost? You know, another $1, a couple dollars. And Chinese case, what could these cost? A couple dollars. So I think they're just barely hitting $50 in retail money, not even like value, just straight up retail to what I could spend to buy for this stuff. I'm gonna say $10. You know, it's 40. Yeah, it's probably 55, 60 bucks if you're lucky. Alright, there you go. That is the drone drop for July of 2018. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.